Well, I got a new pressure washer, and today we're going to put it to the test. It's a Harbor Freight Portland brand, low-end model, electric, 1750 psi of pressure. Not exactly a powerhouse, but we don't need much. Your garden hose fits into the back, the high pressure hose to the front. Turn it on, but you also have to turn it on at the switch too. Alright, well, I think it did a pretty good job. We cleaned off some lawn equipment, blasted the old sand out from the paving stones, we power washed the steps, and there's probably about 101 other things we could have cleaned. I think this machine is a good buy for homeowners needing a light-duty, inexpensive power washer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.